This is a 5600 BTU Kenmore. It's made by WCI, and I haven't really gotten any videos of this one. I think I've only gotten one. I've only included this in one video, and that was when I did my air conditioner startups last spring. This one has just been sitting out in the garage, haven't really used it, and I know for a fact that it needs to be cleaned. The filter is really dusty, the condenser is probably dusty. So I'm going to do that, take it apart, but I'm going to run it first. Just brought this in from the garage, so I'm going to have to put the heater in front of it to get the compressor to start. I'll show you the specifications. 5600 BTU, 4.9 amps, made in January of 2002. And this has an LG compressor in it and a Welling fan motor. Alright, and we'll look at the condenser. It's a little banged up in some spots. That can be fixed. Alright. Evaporator is pretty clean, but this filter is nasty. And I'm guessing the condenser is probably pretty gross too. It's kind of hard to see, but yeah, it's dusty. It's going to need to be cleaned. And here's the control panel. And let's turn it on. That's on high. Medium. And low. This thing is pretty quiet, like you would expect out of a WCI air conditioner. I like how it responds instantly when you press the buttons, just like those sharps. A lot of the newer ones that you have now don't respond instantly. They have a delay after you press the button before they do anything. Alright, and we are on cool mode. Got the temperature all the way down. I'm going to put the heater in front of it so we can get the compressor to start. Alright, let's see if it'll start. I'm getting quite a bit of airflow through this coil, so it can't be that bad. Not really using much power at all, only 2.55 amps. Let's see what we got on high speed. And then there's medium. Alright, it's been running for a little while. I cleaned the filter, so don't have to worry about that anymore. It is starting to get a little cold now. This thing hasn't been run in ages, so that's why it took so long to get cold, but we're up to 3.09, 3.1 amps on low. And this, the condenser is getting warm. And that's where we're at after even more time. I think that's about where it's going to stay now. Blowing cold. I got it on high right now. And there's low again.